And welcome to my channel. This is Good Tutor, and what I do is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you are watching my video for the first time, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And do not forget to practice. This is a practical subject. You need to practice it. So right now, I want to provide answer to the objective questions of National Examination Council Technical Drawing of the year 2022. And we have 50 questions to answer here. So let's start to get the answers to the questions. Okay. Question 1 says that irregular curves can be drawn using flexible rubber. So the answer is option A, or we call it flexible curve. Now question 2 says that the following are safe working habits observed in the drawing studio except. So the answer to that question is option D, lubrication of instruments. We don't lubricate the instrument that we use in technical drawing so that our paper will not get stained or dirty. So question 3 says that which of the following instruments can be used in conjunction with T-square to draw inclined lines? So the answer to that question is option E, set squares. So question 4 says that which of the following is a drawing material? So the answer to that question is option C, pencil is a drawing material. Then question 5, we have that the line drawn below is used for hidden details. So that is option D, it is used for hidden details. So question 6, the angle labeled F in the drawing below is 60 degrees. So the angle is 60 degrees. So that is option C. So question 7 says that the shaded portion in the circle below is a segment. So this portion is a segment. That is option D. So question 8 says that the quadrilateral drawn below is a trapezium, as we have here. This is a trapezium. And question 9 says that what is the external angle of the polygon drawn below? So this is a 5-sided polygon, so the external angle will be 72 degrees. So if you want to get the value, just divide 72 degrees, but they just divide 360 degrees by 72. That will give you 5, and this is a pentagon, a 5-sided polygon. So the exterior angle here is 72 degrees. That is option C as the answer to question 9. Then move to question 10, which says that an object drawn to full scale should be in the ratio of 1:1. That is option A as the answer to question 10. Now question 11 says that in the drawing below, triangle J is dash times larger than triangle K. So triangle J is 3 times larger than triangle K. So here we have this is 2 and this is 6. So here we have this triangle J to be 3 times triangle K. So the answer to that is option B as the answer to question 11. Then question 12. So we have here that which of these triangles are equal in area? Which of these triangles are equal in area? So triangles on the same base triangles on equal base and between the same parallel are equal in area. So triangle ABE and triangle ABF, ABE and ABF, that is not correct. So the answer to that question is triangle ABE and BCD. So which is option B is the correct answer to that question. So the triangles are on equal base, so base AB is equal to base BC, and they are between the same parallel, so they have equal area. So question 13, how many points of tangency are drawn below? How many points of tangency are drawn below? So we have 1 point of tangency here, we have another one here, and we have another one here. That means we have 3 points of tangency. So the answer to that question is option B, which is 3. So then question 14 says that what will be the locus of point P for one complete revolution of crank BC in the diagram below? So the answer to that question is option B. So this is what it will give us. We form this ellipse, so around here. Then question 15 says that the path of a point on the circumference of a circle rolling along a straight line is a cycloid. That is option A is the answer to question 15. Then move to question 16, which says that the method of drawing that shows the shape of an object revealing all its surfaces laid out flat in one plane is called development. That is option C, the answer to question 16. So question 17 says that identify the pattern development of the truncated cylinder drawn below. So you have to be observant, you have to watch this very well. This is the seam, so it means that we are cutting this cylinder, we are cutting at this point and we open it, and when we open it, this is what we are going to get. So option A is the answer to that question 17. And then we move to question 18, which says that which of the following is the correct pattern development of pipe P in the drawing below? So the answer to that question is option C is the answer to that question. Then we move to question 19, which says that identify the correct plan of the drawing below. So the correct plan of this drawing is option A is the correct plan of this drawing. So we have a circle for this vertical cylinder, and for this penetrating cylinder we have this shape here. So then we move to question 20, which says that which of the following is not properly dimensioned? So option D is the answer to that question. So question 21 says that which of the following statement is correct about isometric drawing? So the answer to that question is option B. Objects are drawn in three dimensional. So that is option B as answer to question 21. And question 22, identify an orthographic view from the following options. The answer is option D, that is the plan. So is an orthographic view. Then we move to question 23. So which says that identify an oblique cube from the options below. So oblique cube from this option that we have here. So oblique cube from this option that we have here is option B, as we have this side to be at a 45-degree angle. So option B is the answer to that question. Then we move to question 24. Station point is found in which of the following methods of drawing? That is perspective drawing. That is option E as answer to question 24. Then we move to question 25. Identify the auxiliary elevation of the square pyramid drawn below. So the answer to that is option C. And question 26 and 27, we have to use this diagram to answer question 26 and 27. And here we have the line A prime B prime is the plan. Line A prime B prime is the plan, and that is option C. Then question 27, line AB is the elevation. That is option A as the answer to question 27. Then question 28 says that the point labeled Z in the drawing below is called vertical trace. It is called vertical trace. So then we move to question 29. The arc drawn below is a tudor. That is option E as the answer to question 29. So question 30 says that which of the following is the correct front view of the block drawn below? So the answer is option C is the answer to that question. So we see this triangle, and also we see this shape here. So we have them here all together. So everything will be feasible, as I said. So question 31, where can wardrobe be found in a building? So it can be found in a bedroom. So that is where a wardrobe can be found in a building. So question 32 and 33, we have to use this diagram to answer that question. Question 2 says that identify the part labeled L. The part labeled L is a lintel. That is option C. And we also, what does N represent? N represents skirting. So as option D is the answer to question 33. And question 34 says that the following are advantages of freehand sketching over other forms of drawing, except that it requires the use of drawing instrument. We are not to make use of drawing instrument when it comes to freehand sketching. So the answer is option D. So question 35, a scaled drawing that serves as a guide for building construction is a working drawing. We call it working drawing. So question 36, so that is option E for question 35. Question 36 says that which of the following is a locking device? Which of the following is a locking device? That is split pin. Option D is the answer to that question, is a locking device. That is split pin. Option D, the answer to question 36. Question 37, identify the material symbol drawn below. So the answer to that is bronze. So is the answer. So this represents bronze, is the material symbol for bronze. And question 38, a type of section that cuts through the entire object is a full section. That is option A as answer to question 38. Then move to question 39. Which of the following is a modified tool? Which of the following is a modified tool? So the answer to that question is rotate. That is option D, is a modified tool, that is rotate. So question 40, identify the symbol of resistor from the following. So the answer to that question is option D, the symbol for resistor. Then question 41, the following the plumbing symbol drawn below represents a sink. That is option D as answer to question 41. So question 42, which of the following statement is not true about blueprint? Which of the following statement is not true about blueprint? So the answer to that question is option E. So is water resistant. So that is the answer to that question. And question 43 says that identify the symbol of towel rail from the following. The answer to that question is option B. Then we move to question 44. Which of the following is properly sectioned? Which of the following is properly sectioned? So the answer to this question is option D. This is properly sectioned if you observe it very well. So question 45. The process of reproducing drawings using contact print process on light sensitive sheets is called blueprinting. It's called blueprinting. Then question 46. Which of the following can enhance the sale of drawing equipment? So sporadic product display. That is option E, is the answer to that question. And question 47. The following are all blueprinting materials except dye. So we move to question 48. Which of the following is a CAD software? So Revit is a CAD software. That is option E as the answer to question 48. And question 49 says that self-command can be classified under dash tools, under draw. So self-command is a drawing tools. That is option B as answer to that question. We move to the last question, which is question 50, which says that drawing done with CAD softwares can be saved in one of the following. That is, can be saved in hard disc. So those are the answers to question 1 to 50 for this 2022 technical drawing objective questions. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing and God bless you.